how to add contact us page on your website on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix. Now this is the home page. Go to the top here, click on page. Now go down here, click on contact and choose any of these templates. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say this one. Click add this page. Now as you can see, I just added this contact page. Now you can change the informations and everything from here, and your page is ready. As you can see, you can change the informations here: your site email, your address, your title and your phone number, your section design also if you want. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.